When garlic and butter are prepared in this specific way, you can use them to cure tuberculosis. This amazing recipe was sent to us by our loyal fan and reader from Canada. When she sent the recipe for this effective homemade remedy, she said that this homemade remedy for treating tuberculosis is extremely efficient and useful for curing this terrible lung disease. You will need the following ingredients: 500 grams of homemade honey, 100 grams of butter, 40 grams of crushed garlic, 40 grams of grinded horseradish root. The preparation is very easy. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a bowl. You should consume 1 tablespoon of this remedy every day before your meals. You need to consume this remedy until you feel better or until your doctor says that you are healthy. She claims that this homemade remedy can treat and cure this terrible lung disease at any person, without any side effects. Well, we highly advise and recommend that you should consult a doctor before you start using this one or any type of remedy for treating tuberculosis, because we all know that this lung disease is very dangerous and contagious. This homemade remedy can be harmful for you, but we still don't know can it prevent the tuberculosis spread on another person. We would like to thank our loyal reader from Canada for this effective and useful TBC recipe, for which she claims that it cured tuberculosis and it helped many people in the world to fight against this terrible lung disease. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Garlic kills 14 kinds of cancer and 13 types of infection. Why don't doctors prescribe it? We all know that garlic is an extremely effective and healthy vegetable, which can provide many health benefits. In the list below, we are going to show you only a small part of the diseases which garlic can kill and prevent. This is all cause of garlic's powerful antifungal and anti-cancer properties. Cytomegalovirus infections, Helicobacter pylori infection, Candida yeast infection, thrush, mycotoxin-associated aflatoxicosis, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus MRSA, viral infections herpes simplex 1 and 2, parainfluenza virus type 3, vaccinia virus, vesicular stomatitis virus and human rhinovirus type 2, group B streptococcus infection, Klebsiella infection, HIV-1 infection, Vibrio infection, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Clostridium infection. Garlic is an amazing and extremely healthy vegetable, and it has been used by many people in the world to treat and cure cancer throughout the ages. The great philosopher Hippocrates recommended that we should all use large amounts of crushed garlic as a cure for cancer. If you by any chance decide to treat your cancer condition using this amazing and extremely healthy vegetable, you should consume at least 7 to 8 cloves of garlic per day. Remember, you need to crush it before you eat it. Usually, there are about 10 to 12 cloves per the whole pot of garlic. You should also remember that it is extremely important to leave them crushed for at least 15 minutes. You should let them sit for that amount of time because in that time, the garlic releases an enzyme, alinus, which produces these antifungal and anti-cancer properties. Many people in the world usually eat the garlic raw, but some people like it when it's cooked. I usually eat it raw. I like it that way. There are many different ways you can add garlic to your healthy diet. You can add it to your favorite sandwiches, your favorite meals or salads. And you should avoid using garlic supplements, because, according to the medical experts, they don't produce the same anti-cancer and antifungal results. It also permeates the research literature. A known biomedical database, Medline, which is provided by the NLM National Library of Medicine, has more than 4,245 study abstracts on garlic. During our research, we've looked through all the data given there, and we found that garlic is extremely important ingredient in preventing and treating more than 150 health conditions. And we are talking about health conditions ranging from cancer to diabetes, infection to plaque buildup in the arteries, DNA damage to mercury poisoning. Another interesting thing we found, while we were doing our research, is that on the Green Med info blog was also stated that garlic has health benefits and it is extremely useful ingredient in almost 167 health conditions or disease symptoms. But, it was obvious that the greatest density of research indicates garlic's role in preventing and treating cardiovascular disease and cancer. And we all know that these two diseases are the primary causes of death within high-income countries. The natural tools, specially designed for fighting many diseases, like garlic, have been life-saving and people in ancient times measured their worth in gold. These natural remedies are inexpensive, time-tested, safe and delicious. People today are getting more and more aware of its power and starting to avoid doctors, because it looks like they will always prescribe drugs as part of our treatments. And, at the end, it's all up to you people. It's your choice, because you are responsible for your own health. You can accept this and use the nature's ingredients and vegetables to improve and protect your health in general. If you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.